taking a chance, making it happen or fall with the rest. I hear the reviews, I listen to them say they're fully impressed. Making more money, my happiness less. Took what I love and I put to the test. Everyone saying that they're the one next. I wanna be better than best, I never regret. I never forget anything I've ever done. I'm playing my story from start till I finish. I'm taking this game for a run, not checking my funds, I'm thinking the low. I just stay working my lyrical flow. One day I'll pay off, they'll pay me to go and travel the world, straight killing these shows, yeah, leave me alone. Feeling like my time is always gone. They coming back from work, it's back to working when I'm home. Don't text my phone, I'm in my zone. I play the beat, my mind will roam. It's all just running through my head like in the morning when you comb. Cause heartbreak turns into all the music I make. Good things come from negative things.
Carrying coffins.